guys, and welcome back. Now, if you've seen our last OneOdio A70 Fusions review, you would know we had some awesome sounding DJ headphones. With that being said, within that video, we caught the attention of these OneOdio Studio Pro C Y80Bs, which are indeed Bluetooth, wireless and wired headphones. And yes, I've ordered them and they've arrived today. So as you can see, there's an image depiction of the headphones themselves to the front. To the left of the box, they are described as having up to 30 hours playback time. Whoa! Now, if memory serves me correct, those previous A70s, well, I personally got 17 hours out of the 25 hours stated. But then I did have lots of battery life left. So it will be kind of interesting to see how long we really do get with these Studio Pro Cs. So yep, these are indeed wireless and wired. To the back, there is a usual contents list, a transmission distance of up to 10 meters and a charge time of 3 hours with that 500 mAh battery. Let's go ahead and crack it open. And again, just like the OneOdio A70s, we get a very snazzy drawstring bag with that OneOdio logo embedded to the front. It's very nice. Yes, the headphones, by the way, are indeed inside. But for now, let's just place it to the side. So what else do we get? So we get a very detailed instruction guide, a usual 24-month warranty card, a micro USB, no Type-C I'm afraid, and a lengthy gold-plated 3.5mm audio cable, which does come with an inline mic and a call answering play pause button. Back to the Studio Pro Cs now, let's take them out. Oh wee! Yay! Just look at them vinyl looking side discs, very shiny. Oh, and check this out, look at the red stitching to the top of the headband. Nice! They're not too over the top, they're very neutral, with a great choice of materials, keeping that design very classy. They are indeed quite compact, with the driver arms not only being foldable and extendable, but they also swivel one way too, which could be useful for those budding DJs. Look at that. These OneOdio Studio headphones are mainly made out of ABS plastic. The black PU leather padded headband feels real firm, which also has that OneOdio brand not only embedded to the top, but with them logos also printed to the side of those ear caps. With those 50mm soft protein PU leather driver unit ear pads, which to be honest I do prefer the slightly thicker memory protein padding on those previously reviewed A70s. Nevertheless, they can be removed if need be, and you do have those silver left and right icons printed upon the inner foam filters. To the right side of the headphones, we have some chunky, clunky, physical type buttons, with volume up, down, previous and next track selections, and a central play pause call answering button. You can also access Siri with this too. There's also a LED indicator, a built-in mic, and oh snap! A headphone damping socket, so when the audio cable is inserted into the headphones, it locks into place nice and flush. Is there anything to the left side? Oh yeah, we do have that micro USB insert for charging. So these Studio Pro C headphones are compatible with most Bluetooth devices. They do have the latest Bluetooth 5.0 technology, so pairing is quite simple and straightforward. These headphones are very light. They do stay somewhat in place on my head, with those, should I say, over the ear? No, actually on the ear padding, as they do basically sit on the edge of my ear. Not bad actually, quite comfortable. Again, with that swivel movement enabling effective use for single side monitoring. They do have a little more space than the A70s, while they are fully extended to full size capacity. They should just be about okay for someone with a larger size head. They are indeed flexible, but I'm not confident enough flexing them out too much. They certainly have lots of adjustment, but we will see how they perform over the next few days. Oh, days later! Okay, I'm back and, well, let's first start off with the audio. Well, to be honest, I was kind of not shocked at all. These actually do sound pretty great. The bass was heavy, I do love a bit of thumping bass. Not only that, these headphones have high, crisp fidelity sound when using them wirelessly. With the mids, they were just a tad bit over the top for my liking, but those low tones were however pristine. The overall sound was pretty well balanced, I would say, good sound signatures. with good polarity between both drivers. Although with the surround sound, well, the surround sound was picked up on the left, right and the rear zones, although I didn't really feel any surround sound coming from the front. So yes, you certainly do get hi-fi quality sound with these headphones. So yeah, pretty good sound I would say, and when it comes to these headphones being used on a PS4, well, I am pleased to say, unlike the A70s, these Studio Pro Cs can indeed be used on a PS4 console. So that can be done with that supplied 3.5mm cable, although audio pickup when gaming is pretty basic and average.
So yes guys, looks like you can use this microphone on the cable with this headset on a PS4. So this is going to be the quality of the audio pickup. It's playing a bit of Metal Gear Solid.
Back to the audio, and yes, your music experience will be somewhat different when using these headphones in wired mode. Don't get me wrong, all the levels are fine, it's just that max volume is somewhat lower compared to using them in Bluetooth wireless mode, which when using them wireless does provide you with more of a punch. I must say that these headphones do have some sound seal too. Wow, some sound seal on the seesaw. Now, not tremendously when playing music super low, but once that volume is cranked up, you will hear nothing from the outside world. Yep, somewhat isolated, with not much discomfort after long use, although my ears did become sweaty after just a few hours. That's about it really though. Like I said, they were somewhat secure for my head, and the microphone quality when making hands-free calls wirelessly, well, it wasn't too bad, with no voice muffle at all. All the functions are perfectly placed, providing good accessibility, and well, out of a full charge, I did get 21 hours music playback time with 100% volume being used. But guess what? It still has some remaining power too. So yeah, 21 hours plus in fact. Now I did get past the initial 10 meters distance with the Bluetooth transmission, with no obstacles being in the way, and even though these are pretty decent headphones, I will add that that 3.5mm jack is unique to this particular headset. So no, unfortunately, you cannot buy a universal cable if say this one is faulty or damaged. But nevertheless, they are still a very good set of headphones, quite affordable in fact, with the price being £40. That's around 50 in US dollars at the time of this upload. And if I was to rate these particular Oneodio Studio Pro C headphones at my usual rating out of 10, then I surely gotta give these an 8 out of 10. Now, I really do like these headphones. I love the look, the functionality, and I would have gave them a straight 10 if the cable was simply universal, if they had true surround sound, and if those mid-levels were just a tad bit lower. I mean, I do personally prefer the oval ear pads of those previously reviewed A70s that cover most or all of the ear, rather than these Studio Pro Cs that basically sit on the entire edge of your ears. But in whole, I definitely can recommend both headphone units, as I think that both units sound great and they do indeed have those unique designs. Anyway guys, I will certainly leave a link for both headphone sets in the video description down below. If you want to go and check them out, it's up to you, check them out, and if you like what you see, well, go get yours. I will also leave a link for the review of those A70s at the end of this video, so yes, go and check them out, and it would be mighty fine if you go ahead and please smash that like button. I'd very much appreciate it if you also subscribe. If you did, thanks for the support. And make sure, yes, you hit that bell notification option so you guys will stay updated on all my new uploads. Now, talking about uploads, one will be coming very, very soon, so stay tuned for that. And all it needs me to say is, thanks for watching and stay safe.
Hey!